I love you, Chris. She's staring at me. I'm singing, what girl was she thinking? Ooh, nobody's talking, 'cause talking just turns into screaming. Ooh, and now there's someone over her. She's yelling over me. All in me is neither of us are listening. It's even worse that we don't even remember why we're fighting. All of us are mad for nothing, 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 and we won't let it go for nothing, nothing, nothing. To love like what we had, oh baby, I know sometimes it's gonna rain, but Timmy, can we make up now? 'Cause I can't sleep through the pain, and I don't wanna go to bed mad at you, and I don't want you to go to bed mad at me. Girl, I get out of my video. Bed mad at you, and I want you to go bed mad at me. Oh no. You seem to be upset when you're constantly accusing, asking questions like you already know. We're fighting this war, baby, when both of us are losing. We know where we're supposed to go, but you want it out. Where you went, backing down, and I ain't backing down. So what the hell do we do now? 'Cause Karen's just nothing, nothing. You need to let her go, 'cause I'm something, nothing. Gonna when we had a baby, I know sometimes it's gonna rain, but Salem's better now, so I can make sure I sleep through the pain. And I don't care if I go to bed mad at you. Don't give a fuck if you go to bed mad at me. And I don't really care if you're mad at me. Oh. Mad at me. Oh no. Okay, wow. This is my favorite rock song of all time.
Black dress
with the tights underneath. I got the breath of her last cigarette on my teeth, and she's an actress.
Now I need to sing.
This song is for me to Chris. Songs. Wait, this part one part. And tell your boyfriend it's 'cause he's got beef that I'm a vegetarian and I ain't fucking scared of him.
She wants to touch me, she wants to touch me, she'll never leave me.
Don't trust a hoe, never trust a hoe. Don't trust her 'cause a hoe won't trust you. Okay, I'm done with my video, so.